Any guess which one section of the SAT is worth about 33% of the overall SAT composite score? If you said the math with calculator section, then give yourself a pat on the back. With this one section occupying such a large piece of that SAT pie, it's important to know how to utilize a graphing calculator. I've found that most students aren't aware of some of the most powerful features that come with their calculator. So I created a free 10-minute video where I walk students through some of the most useful features for the SAT. You can gain immediate access to this free tutorial by clicking here on my website. In case you're looking to really give them an edge on the Math with Calculator section, you could also provide them with 3 of my Graphing Calculator MVPs, Most Valuable Programs, all of which are permitted on the SAT. In my Spotlight SAT Math with Calculator crash course, students gain access to 3 modules, one for each of the 3 Graphing Calculator programs I provide. As an example, notice how quickly I'm able to solve this system of equations from a real SAT question through one of these 3 programs. Each of the 3 modules take about 45 minutes to complete, 10 to 15 minutes of my instruction, 20 minutes to complete the practice test, and about 10 minutes to grade and review incorrect answers by watching my step-by-step worked out solution videos. I recommend the modules be completed over 3 separate days, but they could be completed in one sitting as well. If your child's taking the SAT in the next few weeks and you're looking to provide them with the quickest way to make gains on this critical section, click on the link in this post to get immediate access to my Math with Calculator crash course. Let's do this.